Y'all hear them crows? They've been crowing for over a minute. It's now 10 minutes after 7 o'clock a.m. in the morning, and it is Sunday, October the 19th, 2025. What's the spiritual meaning to crows crowing like that outside of my home? They just stopped crowing. Well, y'all, I heard a few more cawing from the crows, and so I searched on YouTube as to what does it mean when, hearing crows in the morning, or hearing crows call in the morning, spelled CAW. So there are several videos. I've already listened to a couple of them. And apparently it just means that it's a spiritual meaning. So it can mean several different things. And I'm just going to end the video at this. I just heard a few more crows, and now I hear paramedics or firefighters and police vehicles in the background, along with some more calling. So basically, it's spiritual when you hear crows cawing, especially early in the morning. With that note, I'm out, you guys. I've been up all night working on content and doing spiritual warfare.